Hello, thank you for stopping by and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful presentation, beautiful and engaging presentation using AI known as Gamma AI. So you go to your web browser. Here I'm already on my web browser. Then come here and type Gamma AI. Gamma AI. Then you click Gamma. You come here and sign up for free. So it will bring you down here. You have your email, you enter your email. Then confirm your email. Here it is. Verify your email address. Now you are here, create your account. Okay, your first name. I'll just use this. Then continue. Now your workspace is here. Continue. You can customize it to your taste. Now you are here. What would you like to create today? So you have presentation, can be in document, can be in web page. So here you can type whatever you want to do, and there's also option to paste. You copy and paste. So let's say, for instance, they give you an option, conference talk on recent discovery in astrophysics, lecture on coral reef, ecology for undergraduate, pitch deck for company. So you can do a lot of things. So let's, for instance, I want to copy something and paste, then paste. So they're already here. Then the next thing is, remember I put it in presentation. If I want to create document, if I want to create web page, so generate outline. So these are the outline. These are the outlines. Definition of motion, cause of motion, circular motion, centripetal acceleration, centripetal force, depending on what I've just put. Then how do you want it? Amount of text per card. Is it brief, medium, or detailed? You choose. What are the source of image do you want? Is it AI image or web image search? So the next thing is continue. So the total cards you have is 8 here. So you continue. If you decide to add, you can add additional card to the cards. So these are the theme. You can choose your design from the following. If I decide to put this one, you can actually choose your design from any of these design samples. So when you are done, then you click generate. As you can see, it is generating. This is beautiful. Your presentation has finished generating. Now, here is where the real deal is. Whenever you do anything with AI, you don't just copy and paste. you come and design it to your taste. So I'm going to show you the hint behind designing it to your taste. Now, here you come to this place. You come to this place. This is an image added to your design or your presentation for beautification. So you can import image in your laptop or in your phone into this, or you can actually get it from the website. So here, if I come to this place, the image